And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and making money doing all those things. So this is since I'm in the United States, we're going to. Sorry, something funny just happened. Uh, I need to read you this. This is the risk disclaimer screen. This is the channel. Well, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure, the Commodities Futures and Trading Commission. That's what that stands for. That's a U.S. regulatory agency. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage, it's futures anyway. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. So before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. I'm sorry, it's Commodities Futures and Trading Commission. Look that up real quick. CFTC.gov. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Okay, so that's who that is. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's going on today. First we have, let's go to the currency strength meter right here. We have Henry the parakeet, the Forex trading parakeet on my shoulder too. So he's doing some stuff too. Got a light to this subject. He's going to bite me in a minute. I don't want him to. The dollar is somewhat stronger today than the yen, which is what we want. That's the trade we're looking at right now. It's dollar versus the yen. We'll probably see a little bit of gold weakness in gold today too. That's just a hunch so far because I haven't looked yet. So let's see what's going on today. We'll start with the DXY. Dollar index is coming down, but it's holding at 100.07, which is showing strength but declining, decreasing in value. So that's a thing, but it's underneath these tops. So if it continues this, then it is going to close lower than 100.10. Breaks down here, then we're going to see it slide down a little bit further, possibly down to here, down to this level, and retrace this level. Then again, it is forming a nice little channel right here in the 4-hour support. So we'll see what happens if it comes up with another parallel channel over here, which is highly possible. After that, we're going to go to the dollar versus the. That's going to give us a, in theory, a increasing version of the euro versus the dollar, and it's up 10 pips since I've last saw. And here's the 200 moving average. Here's the 50. Don't know which one that is. That is the 200 daily average. So we've got that right there. 52's around here somewhere. 52's right up here, I think. Yep, but it's a 50. Okay, so we are looking at a very big meandering situation. It's not really going anywhere, not really a whole lot of volume to it. If it breaks 50, then we could see it make a run for 117 again or 116 again. But we are in a situation of lower lows and, well, higher lows. Higher lows and lower highs. Making a very tight little range for it to trade in. So we're probably not going to touch that one today. Here we have the dollar versus the yen. Dollar versus the yen closed inside, and then inside this Bollinger Band right here, which would indicate a mean reversion strategy might work best. However, it's clawing right back up into that again. So this might be a good place to put on a sell, you might be thinking, but I don't think so. It's showing a little bit too much strength right now at 156.83. We might be in on a trade on that one, come to think of it. We are in. How about that? So we're minus 42 on this trade right now because it just went in. So we'll see if we can't get a little run out of that. Love to see it hit about 158. That would make me very happy. That's at 85. Probably want to do the same thing in my other account over here. And this one. So we'll go ahead and go in here to chart. USD/JPY. Gold is set 470, 4070 right now, so it's making a little bit of a run too. That's the minute chart. I don't like the minute chart at all. I want to go to the daily. And I'm going to buy stop about right. $90. I'll go 90. And go 30, so 0.75 for the value. Nope, definitely not that. Point. Okay, we're just going to do this one. Buy stop, and we'll change it down here to 0.75. 75. Protection orders, yes please. And go 100 on that. 155.9 shows I'm risking $481. I'm going to go higher on that. Let's go 1. 646, it's good enough. If it's going to run, it's going to run. If it's not, we're only losing about $600 out of 30,000. So this is my challenge. We want to get this amount as high as possible. So we're going to do that. That's what we're trading right now. Go back to the dollar versus the yen. I'm expecting a retrace on that. With a dollar strength, it's going right into this resistance area, but we may be able to get 100 pips out of it. But we want to be leery of that and be ready to switch directions. Pound versus the dollar is hanging in there. It is coming up a little bit. Trying to test 131 on the upside, but it doesn't look like it's going to get it. We also have a lot of decreasing volume in there too. That's why I'm not going to touch. I want to get underneath that if I trade that one at all. Pound versus the yen. Again, not really getting over this this candle here, so it may be a short run of that. I may want to get out of that trade right now. Just come to think of it, get underneath it. So I don't. And the Canadian is right here. Dollar versus the Canadian. Again, hitting that top, probably going to be coming down. Might be into a double top situation right here. 141.11. Takes there, and then it's going to come down. Well, I mean, in theory, it's going to come down. It may not. It may just be range trading too. So it's still early in the week to see what's going on this week. I don't think it's going to be a quiet week. I think as far as trading goes. Being a major U.S. holiday, Canadian versus the yen. Again, not a whole lot going on there. 57 on crude oil. I like it. For the consumer. It's good for the consumer, not so good for the oil companies, but it's okay. Dollar versus the key buying range right here. But not sure if it's going to have enough oomph to continue right now. There's just not a whole lot of volume in anything right now. That's to be expected with a that's just bad. That's the gold market just meandering sideways, not really going anywhere. They looks like about $138 range. So maybe you can make a little range on, make a little money on that range trading on a smaller time frame. Silver, again reclaiming 50, barely, and then forming a little doji right there. So we might see some more upward action on that. So that's all I've got today. Not a whole lot going on. Again, it's going to be a quiet trading week because of the major U.S. holiday, and I'm about to go to my day job because I got called in today, and I will talk with you later. So you guys have a great one. If you like this channel, then by all means hit the thumbs up. If you want to know when I've got more videos like this coming out, then hit the or then subscribe, and you'll be notified of when more videos are coming out, which is pretty much daily. And also, if you have any comments, by all means, feel free to comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So you guys have a great one. Bye.